And coming now to our question of the day this morning, and we're asking you, what is your response to reports of government having spent a collective 76 million rand on the funerals of 3 struggle stalwarts? Let us know what your views are at Morning Live SABC using the hashtag Morning Live SABC.
Right, let's move on to our stories of the day. So the Commission of Inquiry into allegations of state capture expected to continue hearing evidence relating to allegations of corruption at the country's law enforcement agencies when it resumes this morning.
The memorial service of actress and businesswoman Candy Moloi, who was commonly known as Makadzi on SABC 2 Soapy Mubango, will be held in Johannesburg this morning. Moloi succumbed to cancer on Tuesday night at the age of 67.
So here are your numbers. The cumulative confirmed COVID-19 cases in South Africa, 471,123. The total number of deaths, 7,497. The recovery rate still looking good, 297,967. So at this point in time, active cases in South Africa, 165,659.
And just a reminder of those numbers, if you need to get in touch regarding COVID-19 related questions, 24-hour hotline number is 0800 029 999, or you can use the WhatsApp service on 0600 123 456.
All right, so the breakdown into the provinces now. So Gauteng recording 168,369 cases. The Western Cape, 93,739. The Eastern Cape, 75,872. KwaZulu-Natal, 71,240. The Northwest, 18,231. The Free State, 19,207. And Mpumalanga, 12,442. Limpopo, 7,840. And the Northern Cape, 4,135. So those are the total reported cases to date. And I'll just give you the confirmed tests. I think the rest we've spoken you through are 2.87 million so far.
And taking a look now at those provincial increases, and this is over a 24-hour period. Gauteng province has recorded 3,785 new cases of COVID-19. The Eastern Cape, 805. Western Cape seen an increase of 754. 3,139 new cases reported in KZN. 338 in the Northwest province. 890 in Limpopo. Mpumalanga saw 166 additional cases. Free State 1,073, and the Northern Cape recorded 138 new cases of COVID-19. And then the overall death toll for COVID-19 in each of the provinces, 1,836 people have succumbed to COVID-19 in Gauteng, 1,579 fatalities in the Eastern Cape. The Western Cape has recorded 2,983 deaths, 712 in KZN, 72 in the Northwest province. Limpopo province, 67 people have lost their lives as a result of COVID-19. Mpumalanga, 65, 154 people passed away in the Free State and 29 in the Northern Cape.
All right, this is just a picture for you over the last 7 days. First column are your recoveries. So recoveries are looking fantastic at this point, just under 300,000 recoveries now. The death toll is also rising, as you can see. It was last Thursday at 6,093, and as of yesterday's figures that have come through, we're now at almost 7,500, so it's increasing there. And then, of course, your new cases. So each day you see the numbers increasing. Yesterday was not too much of a rise, neither was the day before, but then again, I beg your pardon, sorry, the latest figures are now quite a big rise, but the days before were a little less. But as we've spoken to medical experts, they keep on telling us, you will see that large number still. We're in the middle of it, so yeah, just be careful. Quickly onto the global numbers, 16.9 million, almost 17 million confirmed cases, 9.9 recoveries, and the death toll is now at 665,000. And then, what's, I suppose, very big news to talk to is that in America, they had in some of their states the biggest reported cases ever since the beginning. Hong Kong say that they're on the verge of another outbreak, which they're very, very careful of. And here's an interesting one for you. Here on the continent in Kenya, the country has also gone ahead and put a lot of restrictions on the sale of alcohol. So restaurants have to close by 7 and bars are still not allowed to open. So that's some news from the continent. Let's get your headlines. We'll talk to trending topics after that.